Hello guys, welcome back to Bonsai Crazy. Now I've got another nice video for you today. This is my Deshojo maple, Benny Mako, and I got this from, I think it was Heathrow Bonsai Show, Expo Bonsai Show this year, and it's been going really well this year. I've got a little bit of leaf damage, some holes in the leaves and a little bit of browning, but as a whole the tree is doing really well. Now I'm not gonna be doing any trimming, just a little bit of wiring today. I've got the two trunks to wire. As I took the wire off this year, they've come back together and I want to separate them a little bit more. So that's what we're going to do today. Just a couple of bits of wire on this tree and a bit of separation from the branches. And then I'm going to bring up my other tree, my other maple. I forget what my other maple is called. Maybe one of you can help me out. But it's got green leaves and white tips around the edge, around the edges. Really nice tree. And I've got trunk chops to do to that tree today. So a couple of trunk chops and some wiring. So I hope not to bore you too much. And well, I suppose we should get on with it. So let's get on with it. So guys, I've got some 3mm wire here. And it's mainly the trunks that I want to wire. So I'm gonna take it from the bottom all the way up to the top to give it some good strength there. So what we need to do is come around the back of the tree and poke the wire in the back of the tree there like that. And we want to grab this and wrap it around the trunk. Like so. Now, I haven't got big enough wire yet for this, so I'm going to go around the one that doesn't need as much wire, and we'll get another wire on this one, which is a little bit longer. So I've got a few things to say. Basically, Twickenham Bonsai Club are doing their bonsai show on the 29th of June this year, this month. So please go along and show your support. The guys have got some fantastic trees there. You really won't you won't be missing out on anything. It's or you will be missing out if you don't go. They've got some amazing trees in their club. Their club show is always really good. It's in Twickenham, and I'll show you the details right there. And please go along, please show your support and try and spend a bit of money and enjoy the day. It'll be really good. Right, so there's 2 wires on there. So now what I want to do is give it a bit of a bend and a bit of a separation. There we go, there's that one. And there's that one. just a little bit going on there. Little bit of movement, which is exactly what I want, and a little bit of separation. Now the top branches we'll sort that out another time, because they'll be cut back anyway. So there we go. So that's that tree done. I'm going to go downstairs now and get the other tree upstairs. So give me a second and I'll be back. So here we go, guys. Here's my other tree. Now it's got 4 trunks going on here, and obviously I only need 2 trunks, and they're competing against each other and they're coming out in awkward places. So I'm best to deal with it now rather than later. The tree has hardened off and is looking really good, and now's the time to actually do that while the tree is not expelling too much sap. It's actually drawing it back in a little bit at the moment because it's summer now, and it's hardened off. All the leaves have hardened off, so it's a really good time to do chunk chops on Japanese maples. So we're going to chop this tree. First chop is going to be this branch here, and we're going to get rid of this and this main long one here. So let's get in there. And chop it like so. And get that one out of the way. And as you can see, that one trunk line is going to be really nice. I'm going to get some wire on this in a second and push it out a bit. The second chop I want to make is this thicker branch here. Now this thicker branch is competing with that other branch. It's competing with that other branch, so we need to get rid of that one as well. So the tools you need to use today are concave cutters and a pair of good scissors. And there we go. That's that big branch taken away. So we've got 2 main branches there now. Let me go and tidy this cut up. And I'll put some cut paste on that in a second. And get rid of this little stub there. So I'm going to get some wire on this tree here then. And I just want to get a bit of 2mm. Now there's no need to go all the way to the top on this because it's just the trunk line again that I want to bend, so we can leave that right there. We can leave that just there like so. And we're going to come in and give it some movement. Just like that. Just a little bit of movement there. I knocked off one of the buds, which is a bit silly, but can't be helped sometimes. Sometimes you just hit the buds that you know you want. So we're going to get a bit of 3mm wire now, and we're going to do the same to this other branch here. So please go to Twickenham Bonsai show, their club show. It's going to be a really good day. There'll be some good sales tables there, and there'll be some awesome trees to look at. Now we've got that, so we're going to bend that this way now. And we're going to bend back in that direction. And there we go, we've got some cool bends in this. Got some cool bends in that now, and that will take shape. Let me see if I can get a bend in this one. Just a bit of 2mm wire here. 2mm's probably a bit thick for this one, but we may as well, while it's young, put some movement in it. Sorry, you didn't see any of that, did you? But we've got some wire on here now. And I think that movement is quite nice on the trunks. I think it's looking quite good. Let me give you a quick look. So the movement on the trunks there. There we go, that's looking quite good. I really quite like that now. So I'm back outside. I forgot to do this before the end of the video. Basically we're gonna chop the tops off so it forces back some back budding. We want some back budding down here, so just going to force that by just trimming the tops and force back a bit of budding. So this one can be chopped up here. And we take off the top, and that should force back some growth and some back budding down the bottom of the tree there. So there you go, guys. Here's my little video for you for today. Just a bit of wiring, bit of trunk chops. I'm going to put some cut paste on that tree now. I won't bore you with that because that's just boring to see that. But as long as you know that I'm doing that, then you know you should be doing that yourself. That will stop any bleeding from the trunk and stop any infection getting into the tree. As ever, guys, please like and subscribe. Follow my craziness throughout the years, and I'll see you all next time. See you later. Ta-da.